Welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Out after work today, decided to get a little vlog in. Just cruising around. It was supposed to be raining, but it's not, so I decided to go out and get this vlog in. I tried doing my weekly vlog on Sunday. I was out on the project bike, and unfortunately my GoPro let me down again. The first segment that I filmed for my video had absolutely no audio. The other two segments I filmed, the audio was fine, and I didn't disconnect anything or reconnect anything. The GoPro just failed. Just did not have audio for the first segment. Really depressing. Anybody else using anything different out there? Comment, let me know. I mean, I still think GoPro is, you know, they got the market, but who knows? I also ordered a new helmet. Very excited about that. So can't wait to get that. I will do an unboxing video, go through the helmet, talk about it, tell you why I chose that. The other thing that's depressing, when I was out Sunday on the project bike, I was going a little crazy through some back roads and having some fun on some whoop-de-doo hills and stuff. And when I got to where I was going, I found out one of the fork seals was leaking. So I had bought and put in brand new fork seals, but they were aftermarket. I bought them off of eBay, so they were either really cheap and no good, or there's a burr on the fork or something that I didn't see. So I'm gonna have to redo those, but I'll continue to ride the bike, you know, till I get to buying some genuine OEM fork seals and getting those on. Also, I'm waiting for the rear LED indicator retrofit lights for this to get into stock. I've had the fronts in my possession now for about 2 months, waiting for the rears to become available. So as soon as they're available, I'll be buying those and doing the install on the front and rears. So I hope you guys have been enjoying my channel. I'm really excited. I actually just passed 250,000 views. I think that was yesterday. That's just incredible when I stop to think about it. 250,000 views, 250,000 views. I just can't say thank you enough to everybody. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that too. Like my videos, comment, hit the bell for notifications. I hope this video is sounding good. Alright, before I close out, we'll go nice and slow. We'll get on it a little bit, see how the audio sounds. Maybe after the next stop sign. I love coming home from work and being able to go for a ride, especially tonight. It was supposed to be raining, so it's just like a bonus. And I had to get out and do a little video because GoPro ruined my last one. Here we go. You ready? Woo! I'll tell you what, for a Sportster, this 1200, you get on it, it's got some pull, man. It goes. It may not be very stable on the highway, but it definitely does have the power. Alright guys, so I am going to close out this video here. So until next time, this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.